20 years of being a physical education teacher, coach, personal trainer, I come up with SEL Fitness, social emotional learning, and all of a sudden I'm starting to see things change. And the best part about this is that these concepts that I'm bringing into the students consistently is what's moving the needle. When you magnify the positive within your students, they press pause, we're creating these incredible habits within them, then able to utilize these videos of the SEL Curriculum throughout the year in an ongoing process. We move the static with SEL Fitness. We reset the nervous system and we shift and create a different culture within the student. We can feel aligned and in harmony and have a rhythm with who we are and what we really, really want. Your soul is yours, your children's souls, they're theirs. But I'll help it move if I can with SEL Fitness.